I'm grateful for the Louisiana people to help us. I'm grateful they're here because I don't know where we would be if they weren't here. This has been a very horrific thing. I'm so sorry to cry. We've lost everything. I mean, we've lost everything. We have to rebuild, and this is a horrible feeling to watch your family and friends lose everything and yourself. There was a lady floating yesterday as a device with her 3-year-old hanging on to her. I mean, that's stuff you don't want to see, but it's stuff that's happening, and it's just horrific. It's terrible, and I'm so sorry for crying, y'all.
I was on prayer line. We was praying for the weather for Houston, and every 3 hours we would get on the phone. So I really wasn't paying attention to the weather outside. And as I was washing my dishes, I looked and I could see the water coming in. And I said, it might be my washer that has a leak in it. I just remodeled my house from Katrina Rita. There's no way this is happening to me, God.